I had Guardian Roofing come out to replace my roof in 2015. We chose them because they just were so professional and they had the kind of quality we were looking for. We really wanted to do the job right. And so they came out, replaced our roof. They did a great job. They cleaned up everything when they were done, answered all of our questions, and we've been really happy with our roof for the last 9 years. And they're going to come back again on a yearly basis to keep it nice. And it's a real relief because when the moss starts growing, it's really hard to notice when in the winter when we're not out there. And knowing that they're keeping an eye on it for us is just great. I feel really confident about it, and I trust them a lot. I have only seen great quality work from them. I would highly recommend Guardian to my family and friends.